Hi everyone, Anita Fanita here. How is everybody? Okay, so I'm doing a Etsy episode 2. Okay, you know how I did a video yesterday showing all the items that I'm going to be listing in Etsy? I'm going to do my 10 items again today, but I also want to let you know about the things that did sell yesterday. Okay, so number 1 was 3 items purchased by the same buyer, which was this heart ring and vintage earrings, these over here that I listed yesterday, these two. And she also purchased this brooch lot that I have, which is this one, this one, this one, this one. This is cute. This one, the butterfly, and this. Okay, so all of these together totaled $55, and with the 20% discount that I put on my items, it came out to $44. Okay, so the next one was the butterfly necklace. I don't know if you guys remember. This is really cute. This was the next item, and this one was listed for $50 with the 20% off, so it was purchased for $40. Which is really cute. I really like this one. Okay, so the next one was, let's see here. Again, the same buyer bought 2 items. One of them was the labradorite necklace that I listed yesterday. And then this one that was listed a few days ago. It's a horse pendant with the necklace included. And this one was a total of $60 with the 20% off, which totaled $48 for both. Okay, so the next item was the hoop earrings, these over here. And I had listed these for $15, and with the 20% off, it was $12. And also, I don't have it with me, but I also sold a set of 4 Imari Ito coffee mugs, and they were $65, and with the 20% off came out to $52, and my total in sales yesterday was $196, which is great. I'm happy. Thank you everyone that purchased. And also, if you're not planning on purchasing anything, please go to the store and like my store. That helps also. I would really appreciate that. Okay, so I'm going to show the 10 items for today that I already have listed. Okay, the first one is lapis over here. It's a bracelet. It's very pretty. It has 3 strands here and then tied with beads. I think this is really cute. And this one is 7.5 inches. And I listed, and the prices I'm telling you don't include the 20% off. This one is listed for $20. Okay, so this is item number 1. Number 2 is, and you asked for rings, so I did list this one here. It's a mosaic gemstone heart ring. I don't know if it's focusing very well. It's very pretty. And this one is a size, what size was this? 7.5. And it is marked, it is tested, it's very pretty. So I listed this one for $25. And remember, this is going to be less than what it's listed for. Okay. And the next one is, where'd it go? Okay, here it is. It's also lapis. And this is a cuff. And it's for a small wrist. It's not for a baby, but it is for a small wrist. And this one is, all these items are tested if they're not marked. And it'll say in the description of the items if they're marked or not. So this one is, I have it listed for $30. And then what do we have next? Number 4, lapis. Okay, I'm reading it off because I can't remember. Okay, here it is. Okay, so I put these, this one I put together. They're not a set, but because it's a pendant, I'm pairing them with the earrings. Okay, so it's a lapis pendant. It's very cute. And it comes on this weird cord, which I don't like. You can always change it and put it on a different necklace. This is the pendant, and these are the earrings. And I don't know if it's focusing well or not, but there we go. And these are vintage earrings. So these two together, I listed them for $40. And put this away. Okay, and number 5 is this sterling omega chain with a drop stone. This is very nice. I've never seen something like this. Look how pretty that is. Isn't that gorgeous? It's in gold tone, and it does have like a little safety clasp here on top. And I really love the details. I don't know if you can see it, but you will in the pictures. It's very pretty. I don't know what the stone is, but I really like this. And this one is listed for $60, which it's going to be a lot less with the 20% off today. Okay, and we have number 6. It's okay. Oh, okay, this one here. The designer is Lyric, Lyric. It's a heart necklace and earring set, and these are real diamonds in here. Very pretty. And look at the back. And it does have the matching earrings, and the earrings have 2 little diamonds in them as well. And I did find these on eBay. I want to show you guys how much they had it listed for. Oops, here it is. Give me a second. All right, I want you guys to see this. Okay, I'll go to my photos. And where'd it go? Here it is. Okay, look at this. They have it listed for $199. And if you see the heart, you can see that those black areas, you know, they probably throw it in the Tarnex or some kind of harsh chemicals, and they wipe that out. And they have this listed for $199, and it's just only the pendant. And another person listed it for $149, the same necklace. And then they have the earrings for $49 separately. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to list these for $120, and with the 20% off, it's going to come out to for everything, it's going to be less than $100. So we have that. That's number 6. Okay, number 7 is, oh, this one here. It's a Mexico 925 heart pendant. It's large. It's not small. It's very pretty, shiny, very clean. I did polish it. I did polish up very well. And I'm going to include the necklace also. And it is marked in the back. And this one I'm going to do for $25. Okay. Next is number 8, pink ring. Okay. Okay. So we have this really nice pink. It's showing white, and I don't know why it's showing white in the video, but it is pink, and the stones over here are a clear color stone. And I love all the details on this ring. It's really nice. It's very pretty. And this ring is listed for $20. Okay. And then we have number 9 here. Okay, we have a James Avery knot heart. It's a heart that's like a knot. And this one is listed for $35. And this is a size 7. And I'm sorry, I forgot to mention that this one over here with the pink stone was a size 6.5. And then we have one more thing. Here it is. Sterling. Okay, no, this one is sterling plated. It's not sterling silver. This is sterling plated. And it has Swarovski crystals in it. It's a heart, and it has a little blue heart in the center, also with Swarovski crystals. And I have this one listed for $15. And as you can see, this one's been it hasn't even been taken out of the box. And I hope you guys had fun. I'll let you know what happens tomorrow as well with my new listings. This is Anita Fanita saying goodbye. Thank you, everyone.